talk about some data crunching. IIFL Alternative is always doing data crunching, and today Sriram from IIFL Alternative Research is joining us to talk more about the new data which she has culled out, and that is short positions by FIs have reached previous record once again. Sriram, thanks very much for joining us. Talk to us about this data and the significance of this data.
Hi, good afternoon. So we at IIFL Alternative Research keep on evaluating different market breadth indicators to assess the pulse of the market. So one such interesting market breadth indicator that we evaluate at times is how the positioning of FPIs in India index futures is shaping up. So, as we all know that markets have been in a slump of late. So all this while, in this phase of market correction, the percentage of FPI shorts in the total index futures is almost 91%. So in fact, it has even gone above the 90%. In terms of contract, it has surpassed even the levels that we saw during the COVID sell-off. This is a very important market breadth indicator because, as we have seen in the past as well, it gives a reasonable indication in terms of where the markets might tend to bottom out in the short term. So as we can see, the indicator right now is near to the extreme levels. Even the levels that we saw during the sell-offs of COVID-19 in March 2020, it has surpassed those levels. Yeah.
Okay. Sriram, just one quick follow-up. Last time round, when we had seen FI short positions at such extreme level, the way they are today, can you tell us what happened in the market 3 months, 6 months, 1 year far out exactly?
Okay, as I said, this indicator gives short-term signals, right? So when you take the current texture into current texture, when we bring the current texture in the frame, I will definitely avoid shorting. But to take a very broad call, let's say how the markets will deliver returns in the 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year time frame, it becomes difficult. But as we have seen, at least in case of what we saw during the COVID sell-off, it gave a very, very good indication. And in fact, the markets ended up making a long-term bottom. Few instances in the past as well. March 2016 was pretty similar. I guess August 2013 as well, it was pretty similar. So this indicator gives decent signals, reasonably very good signals in terms of markets bottoming out in the short term. To assess from a broader time frame, it is a tad difficult.
All right, Sriram, thanks very much for joining us.